Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammed Asif and I'm business coach at Trax. The course on which I'm going to talk about is time and stress management. Every one of us gets 24 hours a day and has to face some kind of pressures in our daily personal as well as business life. But why some people are successful given these limitations? In this course, we will train you how to manage your routines, how to manage your anxieties and fears and become more productive. There's a progressive alchemy involved in this course, and we will train you in this. Not only that, we will also tell you that how you can overcome your personal anxieties and fears and of your families, and then transfer those kind of fears and change them into something real stuff in your life. That stuff comes out of even from those fears. Every fear carries in itself the opportunities for success. And similarly, the limitations of times are not there to constrain us or to restrain us in our aims. It is basically to set our limitations and optimize them in such a manner that we can get the best out of our lives. Please join Tracks and get the unique experience of managing your time as well as stress. Thank you.